Today we're going to show how to very quickly and easily replace the in-cabin air filter on a 2007 Honda Civic. Now this will apply to a lot of different models of Honda vehicles, but pretty straightforward, so let's go ahead and jump in. Process is really simple. I definitely recommend when you open this up to go ahead and clean out your glove box, as when you lower it, it's going to drop all the contents down below, so it's a good opportunity at this point to kind of clean things out, take out your manuals and car insurance and all that stuff, get it completely empty, so you're ready to go ahead and remove this entirely. To remove this, you pinch at these inner points right here inward, which allows this to continue to fall forward. You can completely remove it or just let it dangle. In the case of this vehicle, it's pretty straightforward, just to let it dangle. Then you have the area right here. Now this is something that the dealership will charge about $50 to $70 to replace, but really takes 30 seconds, no time at all. From here, you pinch these two tabs inward and pull out. You can kind of set this right there. Take a look. It's pretty dirty. Next, take the new one. I'm a big fan of these RAM filters. They have baking soda and activated carbon. Go and remove from the packaging. What you need to do is locate the airflow. So it says airflow pointing down, so in that case what you need to do is find your device here, which also shows airflow pointing down. So all you need to do at this point is make sure that they both match and that they're suggesting that the air goes down. So once you've done that and it's seated properly, it's down in its space, kind of push it back, close it, and you're good to go. Cool thing about the way they design these things is you actually can't even install it upside down. I've tried just for fun to see what happens, and it doesn't accept this plastic cartridge if you do it upside down. So really there's no way to screw this up unless you put the filter in upside down. But again, it's really straightforward. Just look at this space right here where it says airflow pointing down, and make sure your filter has airflow pointing down, and you're done. So pretty straightforward. Clamp it. You can kind of push these back in, then now it holds. Put your stuff back in and you're good to go for another 15,000 miles. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below, which, by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the super thanks button below the video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.